very warm welcome to my class 5th students. Today I am going to begin the next chapter of science, that is lesson number 12, what if it finishes. So my dear children, watch the part 1 video very attentively so that your concept will be clear. So what if it finishes means what will happen if all the fossil fuels, that is natural fuels, will be finished before we find suitable substitutes. Have you ever wondered what will we do if tomorrow petrol or diesel finishes? Let us study more about the fuels and natural resources and their importance in our lives. In this session, we are going to learn about petroleum and its product. Identify the vehicles runs on petroleum fuels and vehicles that do not run on these fuels. We'll know importance about saving petrol and diesel or using them with a good sense. So let me explain you what is given in the chapter. You can see the picture of so many vehicles, cars, buses, scooters, auto rickshaw. Can you identify the vehicles which run on petrol or diesel? So I will tell you, my dear students. Cars run on petrol or CNG. Even scooters runs on petrol. Bus and trucks runs on diesel. Auto rickshaw petrol or CNG. Bicycle no fuel is used. You can see the picture of vehicles that do not run on petroleum fuels. First picture is of e-rickshaw. You can easily see around your colony or road. It is used to go from one place to another. It is rechargeable. Next is the train, which runs by electricity. And the last picture you can see, this is an electric bus. This bus is also rechargeable just like e-rickshaw, and it is also used to go from one place to another. Now what is petroleum? Petroleum means oil obtained from the rock. It is smelly, thick, dark colored liquid which is known as crude oil, which is refined to get petrol, diesel, kerosene, LPG, CNG, etc. So how do we get this petrol and diesel? Crude oil is extracted, that is petroleum is extracted from oil fields and sent to refinery. Why it is sent to refinery? For cleaning or refining. And it is refined to get petroleum product, that is petrol or diesel. Then it is sent to petrol pumps by trucks, from where we get these fuels. My dear children, watch this video attentively. In this video, how the crude oil is refined is shown. I will tell you about the oil production in India. It comes primarily from 3 onshore states, that is Assam, Gujarat and Rajasthan, which together account for more than 96% of oil from onshore fields and from the aged offshore Mumbai High field. Now my dear children, can you see this poster? What does it tell us? That petrol and diesel will not last forever. You have to save it for your children. Make every drop go a long way. Switch off the engine when you stop the car. So these are all the procedures you have to follow to save the petrol and diesel for the future. Now my dear children, I will explain you the exercises. Match the following and fill in the blanks. Now I am going to explain you the exercises of chapter number 12. What if it finishes? First question is match the following. Before starting the work, write the date. First, ship, water transport, helicopter, air transport, bicycle runs without fuel, there is no fuel. Crude oil is extracted from oil fields. Pollution causes respiratory infections, that is, you are having the problem in breathing. Fossil fuels, what are fossil fuels? These are the natural fuels, that is coal and gas. It is formed from the remains of the living organism and it is found under the ground, that is in the earth's crust. Villages chula. CNG, full form of CNG is compressed natural gas, smoke free gas. Now question number 2, fill in the blanks. First of all, we should use CNG over petrol. So answer is petrol. CNG over means instead of CNG we can use petrol also. Petrol is found deep down under the ground. So answer is ground. Number 3, to clean petroleum it is sent to refinery. Number 4, sound of the loud horns. So much noise means loud horns causes noise pollution. 5th, we can save a lot of fuel. How can we save the lot of fuel? If we use the public transport. So this was all for today. Continuation with the next topics will be explained in my part 2 video. So thank you all. God bless you all. Goodbye.